In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dissolve in DaVinci Resolve. By the end, you will know how to smoothly blend two clips together with a clean cross dissolve. First, launch DaVinci Resolve from your desktop, then open your project. When Resolve loads, you will see the project manager with your existing projects as thumbnails. Double-check you open the project that actually contains the clips you want to work on, not an empty test project. Once your project opens, the main interface appears with the viewer at the top, the timeline at the bottom, and different panels around it. If your clips are already in the timeline, you should see blocks representing each clip in a horizontal sequence. If you do not see any clips there, make sure you open the correct project file where you already did your basic editing. At this point, your project is ready for you to add the dissolve transition. Next, go to the edit page at the bottom of the screen. Look at the bottom center of Resolve, and you will see several page icons, including Media, Cut, Edit, Fusion, Color, Fairlight, and Deliver. Click on the one labeled Edit. When you are on the Edit page, the timeline becomes larger, and you will see more detailed toolbars above it, including buttons for selection, trim, and snapping. The Edit page is where most people add transitions, so if your interface suddenly shows a big timeline and two viewers, you are in the right place. A useful detail here is that changes you make on the edit page apply directly to your main timeline without any extra save button. Now, move your mouse cursor directly over the cut line, the edit point where two video clips meet. In the timeline, that cut line is the thin vertical line between the end of the first clip and the start of the second clip. Zoom in on the timeline if the clips look very small, so that you can clearly see the exact junction between them. When your cursor is over the cut line, you might notice a slight highlight or different cursor shape, showing that Resolve has detected the edit point. Beginners often miss the exact cut and accidentally select the clip instead, so take a moment to hover until you see that you are exactly on the line. After that, right-click the edge or center of the cut line. A small context menu will appear right next to your cursor on the timeline. If you do not see the menu, make sure you actually right-clicked on the cut line itself, not in an empty part of the timeline. Right-clicking directly on the edit point tells Resolve you want to work with a transition between these two specific clips. Finally, select Add 30-frame cross dissolve, or choose 12, 24, or 48 frames depending on your project frame rate, from the context menu. In the menu, you will see several options for cross dissolves with different frame lengths. Click the one that matches how long you want the dissolve to last. Once you click, Resolve instantly adds the cross dissolve icon right on the cut line between the clips. You can play the timeline, and you will now see one clip gradually fade into the next instead of a hard cut. So you have just learned how to add a cross dissolve between two clips in DaVinci Resolve. And if this walkthrough helped your edit feel smoother, a quick thumbs up and maybe a subscribe would really help others find it.